Hi guys, I'm gonna introduce you to Tuya small video doorbell. Here I have the J5 small video doorbell, and this one is J1 small video doorbell. These two model is different. Now firstly I introduce you this 2K video small doorbell, the J5. The menu, sticker, so the doorbell, the wide chain receiver, the AC to DC adapter, that's everything you're gonna have when you buy this product. And this is J5, and we can see a big door button, the camera, and on the bike, the connection terminals, and a micro SD card slot, USB port input, reset button. Here is wide chain receiver. It has a USB port, so you can plug it direct into a phone charger or your desktop or laptop PC. J5 has a 3 megapixel camera. It can deliver 2K resolution video. Compared to other video doorbell, this doorbell can support 166-degree field of view. So here is the power input, so you can see it supports AC 12 to 24 volt. This can be this doorbell can be used to upgrade your existing door chain system, so it can directly connect to your AC transformer, and you can read the menu to know how to do it. Here, retrofit installation. So this provides you a detailed instructions, teach you how to upgrade your existing door chain system with J5. It's quite a good product. Now let's look at this one, another one. This is a J1. Open the box. User menu. User menu. The small doorbell, wide chain receiver. Same. That's you gonna have, and J1 is a small video doorbell that adopts IP65 rated weatherproof design. It has a rain shield. Pretty big. Well, I can get it off the right way. So I can't get it off. So here you can see this. It's a full HD 2 megapixel camera, PLR motion sensor, speaker, and here is the door button. And I can see here you can, so it's totally proof. Here you can see the USB port, micro USB port, 5 voltage, and the reset button. It's waterproof. On the back you can see this battery carriage. So you just pull this protective remove it, so it will be powered. And I'm going to use a screwdriver to take it off to see what difference, right? Again, this screwdriver, take it off. See what's inside. So here you can see it has 2 batteries inside. On the other hand, here you can find the SD card. I think pull it out. Now you can see this is a battery pack. 18650 lithium battery pack, 3.6 voltage, 2 pieces together, and each one has 3350